Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today I'm here with a brand new signal, and today's signal is going to be on GBPUSD, aka British Pound per US Dollar. So without no more time to waste, let's head to the calendar and see what we have. Okay, now we're on our calendar. What I can currently understand is that there is a bearish flow in the market of GBPUSD. What I understand from the news, the overall movement of the market is kind of suggesting that it's going to fall, but I actually have seen some weakenings, which it is suggesting a small pullback to the upside, and we're gonna take that as our trade. So by that you will know that today's trade is going to be buying trade. So without wasting any more of our time, let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as always I have pre-drawn some zones for you. The blue zone, as always, is our trading zone. The green zone is our support, and the red zone is our resistance, and our trade is going to be a buy trade. The plan is that we wait for the price to come down, gather all the liquidity below these equal lows, give us a small pullback above the level, and then wait for another pullback to the level itself, I mean to the trading area, and then we can take the move to the upside because there are no more resistances in the way. So as always, what I want from you is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this more beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, that's it for today's first signal. I hope you have enjoyed it. Have a good time and peace.